Sa video natin today, papakita ko kung paano mag-setup ng email hosting gamit ang one.com kahit first time mo pa lang. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley at kung gusto mo magkaroon ng professional email na gamit ang domain mo tulad ng you@yourwebsite.com, imbes na Gmail o Yahoo, this video is going to give you all the information na kailangan mo. Pag-usapan natin what each step means and how you can get your custom email up and running fast. Let's get into it. So first off, ano ba ang one.com and why use it for email hosting? Ang one.com may isang hosting company na nag-offer ng domain names, website hosting, at email hosting all in one place. Kapag nag-register ka ng domain sa one.com o nilipat mo ito doon, may option ka rin na i-host ang email accounts mo. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang gumawa ng custom email address na match sa domain mo, which looks way more professional kaysa gumamit ng personal Gmail sa Outlook o Outlook address. Isa sa reasons bakit namin nire-recommend ang one.com for email hosting ay dahil beginner-friendly siya at hindi kailangan maging techie o may alam sa DNS setting to get started. Clean at simple i-navigate ang dashboard at nandyan na lahat ng tools na kailangan mo gaya ng webmail, account creation, at setup guides. Pwede mong ma-access ang email mo from any browser gamit ang webmail o pwede mo rin itong i-connect sa email apps na ginagamit mo like Gmail, Outlook, o Apple. May kasama rin itong built-in spam and virus protection kaya safe ang inbox mo without needing to install extra tools. Kung freelancer ka na may small biz o gusto mo lang magmukhang professional, sobrang dali lang mag-setup at mag-grow gamit ang one.com ayon sa needs mo. Ngayon, tignan natin ang main features na makukuha mo kapag nag-setup ka ng email hosting sa one.com. First off, makakuha ka ng custom email address. Pwede kang gumawa ng email address na match sa domain mo tulad ng hello@yourdomain.com. Maganda to para sa branding, pagiging professional, at pag-build ng trust ng audience at customers mo. Number 2 ay webmail access. Lahat ng email accounts may kasamang webmail kaya pwede mag-login at i-check ang inbox mo using any browser. Number 3 ay connect to Gmail, Outlook, o Apple Mail so you can use one.com email inside your favorite email app kaya hindi mo na kailangan baguhin ang routine mo. Gumagana to gamit ang POP3 at IMAP settings para madali ang setup across devices. Number 4 ay built-in spam and virus protection. Protected ang emails gamit ang built-in spam filters at virus scanning so your inbox stays clean and secure without needing to lift a finger. Number 5 ay scalable plans. Pwede kang magsimula sa isang email account at mag-add pa as your business and team grows. Hindi ka kaagad nakalock sa malaking plan from day one, which is huge. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin how custom email helps your brand or business. Una, instantly itong nagbe-build ng trust. Kapag nakakita ng email mula sa custom domain, ipapakita nito na legit ka. Hindi ka lang hobbyist o spam account. You've taken that extra step to look professional. Second, makakatulong ito sa branding. Every time you send an email, mag-schedule ng call o mag-reply sa customer, nare-reinforce mo yung brand mo. Pangatlo, it can help with deliverability. Minsan kapag galing sa free service tulad ng Gmail ang emails mo, mas pataas ang chance na mapunta sa spam, lalo na kung clients ang tinitext mo o nagsisend ka ng cold pitches. And finally, kung lumalaki yung team mo o kumukuha ka ng VA, mas madali gumawa ng team-based email accounts. Kaya kahit maliit lang tignan yung setup ngayon, isa na to sa high ROI moves that sets the tone for everything else you're building. Okay, now, paano tayo magsa-set up ng email hosting sa one.com step by step? Daanan natin ang process. Ang gagawin mo ay click mo yung link sa description below. Pagkatapos, punta ka sa plans and pricing at dito mo makikita kung gusto mong pumili ng hosting, email, website builder, at manage WordPress. So with the email, ito ay $1.99 per month at yearly to binibill. Kasama dito ang free domain, easy email migration from email provider mo, webmail, AI writing assistant, ad-free mail, spam filter, access mula sa kahit anong device, 5 email accounts, 3 gigabytes mailbox size, at 15 gigabytes ng email storage. Meron ding email unlimited na $4.74 per month billed yearly at dito you'll get a free domain, easy migration from email provider mo, lahat ng nasa email essentials, but you get unlimited email accounts, unlimited mailbox size, and unlimited. So again, dahil pwede ka mag-grow dito, you can start sa email essential at mag-upgrade later on. Kapag ready ka na, pwede ka na mag-start. Dito, pwede ka na mag-search ng domain. As you can see, kailangan mo makahanap ng hindi pa taken. Ang ashwellness.com ay nasa ibang provider kaya kailangan mo ulit mag-search till makahanap ng available. Of course, if you already have one, pwede mo na rin itong gamitin. This is free with hosting. I-click natin ang continue, then pwede kang pumili ng plan. Kung gusto mo ng beginner hosting plan or the free unlimited, if you wanted to change that, you can also add extra domains to your order too. Then, i-click ulit ang continue at ilagay yung email and customer type kung ikaw ba ay association, company, customer, private customer, or public sector. Ilagay mo yung first and last name mo, date of birth, address, at kailangan mong i-agree ang terms and conditions, that pwede mo nang i-click ang continue. Pagtapos, hihingian ka ng payment information. Then, step number 2 ay pupunta ka sa email section sa dashboard. Hanapin yung section na nakalabel na email o email accounts. Dito ka gagawa at manage lahat ng domain email address mo. Number 3 ay gumawa ng new email account. I-click ang create account and add email. Piliin yung email name like your info or name, and it'll automatically add your domain at the end. Then create a password na secure pero madali mong matandaan. Kapag save na, your email account is live, so you can start sending and receiving messages through one.com's webmail system immediately. Step number 4 na optional ay mag-login sa webmail. Pwede ka mag-login sa email mo gamit ang one.com's webmail interface. Pumunta lang sa webmail.com at ilagay ang email at password mo. Sobrang simple na to, lalo na kung on the go ka o using a shared computer. Isa pang optional step number 5 ay i-connect ito sa Gmail, Outlook o Apple Mail. Kung gusto mong gamitin ang new email mo inside Gmail o iba pang app, you'll need your one.com IMAP or SMTP settings. Kaya sa loob ng control panel, hanapin yung email configuration o settings tabs. Dito nakalista yung exact server name, ports at login details na kailangan mo, then plug those into your laptop of choice and you're good to go. Lastly, step number 6, itest mo lang. Mag-send ng test mail sa new address mo at mag-reply. Siguraduhin lang na everything is flowing in and out correctly and that the connection sa Gmail or Outlook is synced up properly if you are to set that up. Let's jump in sa pros and cons ng paggamit ng one.com for email hosting so you know if it's the right choice for you. Simulan natin sa pros. So one.com makes it really easy to create custom email addresses lalo na kung nasa kanila yung domain mo. Simple at mabilis lang yung setup process at hindi mo na kailangan ng advanced technology. Ang webmail interface ay clean and works well across devices, so even if you don't want to connect your Gmail to another app, you can still use it without issues. Kasama rin dito ang built-in security features tulad ng spam filtering at virus protection, kaya it stays safe at organized ang inbox mo. Ang pricing nila ay beginner-friendly and you can scale up to more email accounts kapag lumaki yung business mo or your team expands. Punta naman tayo sa cons. Isa sa potential downside ay hindi 24/7 ang customer support ng one.com. Kapag nagka-issue outside ng support hours nila, you may have to wait a bit for help. Kahit okay naman yung webmail nila, hindi ito kasing feature reach ng Gmail o Outlook, so you may prefer to connect it to another platform para mas magandang user experience. At ang email hosting ng one.com ay designed lang for basic business needs. Kung kailangan mo ng mas advanced features like shared inboxes, team collaboration tools, o integrations with project management software, baka kailangan mo mag-explore ng ibang platforms. Pero kung naghahanap ka ng simple and affordable way to get custom domain email, especially if your domain is already with one.com, then yes, this is such a great place to start. Clean, easy to use, at binibigyan ka ng business or personal brand ng mas professional look. For most beginners, freelancers, and small business owners, it does the job well without any unnecessary extras or high cost. Diyan na nagtatapos ang video natin. Sana nabigyan ka nito ng lahat ng kailangan mo to set up ang custom email mo. Kung ready ka nang itry ang one.com, iniwan ko ang link sa description below. At gusto ko lang inote na affiliate links to ha. Ibig sabihin, kumikita kami ng small commission pero wala namang extra cost sa'yo. Kaya kung pipiliin mong gamitin sila, sobrang thank you in advance sa suporta mo. Kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you build your first website, set up tools that actually work, and get your brand online without confusion or overwhelm. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.